Welcome back to Fish and Drifts. We got a big episode, eh, Jeff?
Yes, we definitely do.
Big episode. Episode number 4. Yep. So on today's episode, Jeff's taking his boat out. Big day.
Yeah, a little bit of a mission and
bit of a mesh. And we're getting the R33.4 ready for the big reveal.
yeah, and doing some little woodwork while we're going to see what happens. And
Bit of woodwork, so let's do it.
who knows what's going to happen.
Into it, guys.
This is my dream, I should say. Wanted a new boat for years, and yeah, I finally got sick of repairing old boats and putting new motors and ginning around, and bit the bullet and bought a new boat. And instead of buying a new car, I probably should have bought a new car, but this thing will last us well and truly into the future. And
What do you got there, mate?
oh, some skirting from the bedroom.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, I think, I don't know, could give us some very distinctive World Time Attack adventures too, by the look of it.
I think this might take 0.3 of a second off our time.
Oh, I think so. Well, it's a bit weird trying to actually get grip and not go sideways for once.
I think the skirt you need is down here, mate.
Oh, definitely.
The big girl. So we've gone to BCF. We picked up a few goodies here. BCF. I've been to Bunnings. Right, so we've been to Bunnings, not BCF. What we got here, Jeff? We got some
So you got some
bullnose trimmer. What do they call it?
wall skirting, but yeah.
Wall skirting. Bullnose wall skirting. Right, so that's going to be the splitter on the bottom of the side skirt. And then over here we've got some MDF, 9mm. We're going to use as a front splitter on the skyline. So we got the saw, got the tape measure, and we got Jeff.
What could go wrong, really?
What could go wrong? So let's do it, eh? So we got 2010-5.
Measure again.
We got 2010-5.
So 2015 mils.
215 mils.
You better be right.
Let's check again.
We need camera evidence, so when this stuff's up.
We got that.
Oh, okay.
210 mil. That's one side skirt. Let's see if the both side skirts the same.
Nah, mate. Should be right. Should be right. Not.
Mate, these were made in China, so they could be out. Oh, he's right. They're 10 mil short.
Yeah.
Side skirt's 10 mil short. Or is it the other side skirt's 10 mil long? There we go. Try again.
Struggling there, bro.
Yeah. Yeah. It's 5 mil short. 5 mils, eh? Alright.
Shout out again to Wholesale Paint Groups for supplying everything, for getting this big girl ready. and Baslac as well. Obviously, that was their paint. So hopefully you'll see it soon once the stickers are done. So now we're going to watch Brad attempt to make some solid skirts.
Watch Brad not fuck up.
This is a family-friendly show, lad.
So I'm not much of a woodworker. So that's a good start. There we go. It was a 2010 5. 2015. Hey. That one there. Too easy.
Who says you need Origin Labo to be cool? We didn't just go to Bunnings.
I don't think that's going to be long enough.
Oh, fuck.
What are we going to do with that? Put that on your RC car. Eh?
Put it on the canola.
Ah, here we go. Look at that.
She's done. You can bolt it on.
You know what I reckon?
Yeah, why not?
I reckon that Ferrari F1 team would be coming. They'd be coming to see us and go, that is one of the best splitters I've ever seen. Can you build them for us?
It might help. They need as much help as they can to go forwards at the moment.
We got the second splitter cut and drilled. Here they are. Ready to go for a bit of a carbon fibre wrap. This stuff here. We're going to give them a wrap. And the hardware we've got nylon lock nuts. I'll grab some washers and we got countersunk head bolts to keep it all together. She'll be sturdy as, I reckon. Good enough for a few runs. If they break off, they break off. If they stay on, they stay on.
Oh, only the good stuff around here.
Yeah, mate, we can't afford that real stuff. So, we are.
What do you mean? It's 3M. She's brilliant, mate.
I mean, real carbon fibre, mate.
Oh, jeez.
Not sticker.
Ah, you'll be right.
You know. This is beautiful still, mate. Beautiful. Look at that.
No,
We'll make that work.
that's beautiful. That's weird.
Oh, you're giving them sneak peeks, eh?
Oh, I think they've had a few.
Giving them sneak peeks. Front splitter, a crack on the wrap, and hasn't gone to plan. We've come to the conclusion that we need one piece instead of doing a two-piece section using what we had. I'll give you a look. It's a bit of a mess, but I think we'll just have to get back on eBay and order some more.
Buy another roll.
buy some more carbon fibre wrapping. Here it is. So we've got a bit of glue back on this side, so you can see there, it makes it look a bit wider than the good side. And coming around the lip here, missed a section there, and even on this side here, missed a bit there. So we're pretty much trying to use what we had. So here we go. This is what it's meant to look like without that join there. But I reckon that is making this front bar look mean as. Absolutely mean as. I reckon your boat needs a diffuser like this now, eh, Jeff?
Oh, I don't know. I actually talked to Beyond Print today, and they actually want to wrap me boat. So who knows what's going to happen there in the future.
Maybe a bit of carbon fibre on the boat.
Well,
Hey?
I'm actually thinking some teal and some black.
Teal and black. There we go, eh? So Jeffrey's going to teal and black. And I reckon that's looking pretty mean. Once we get it right, that's going to look sick. Let's get on the car, have a look. Let's have a look. A bit of weight into it now.
Oh, definitely.
Bit of weight there. Woo! I might need to lose a few kilos there to make up for the splitter, mate, eh?
Ah, yeah, but don't worry, I'll make up for both of us.
And the splitter too.
Yeah, that's right. But how good does that blue look in that light, though? Jeez.
Jeffrey! Get excited. That is looking unreal.
In one piece, it'll actually look pretty good.
Hey. How good is that? How good is that? That looks sick, Jeffrey. That's the moment you've been waiting for. So here it is, as you can see behind me. The big R34 4-door. So we swapped it out. We don't have the drift car anymore. And I've got some kids on the way, so we've got the 4-door. Nah, gammon. Right, here it is, guys. Righto, so the inspiration behind the colour is the Bayside Blue from the R34, the Midnight Purple from the R33, and the Gunmetal Grey from the R32. So a bit of a GDR tribute. Also, we've done the tail lights, given a bit of a carbon fibre wrap, and darkened out the blinker and the reverse light. And my favourite part of the whole build so far is this front splitter. Not quite done yet, but it makes the car look absolutely mean as. Righto, so that wraps up this episode, guys. Absolutely stoked how the R33-4 has come up. A big thank you to Darren once again from Wholesale Paint Group for supplying the paint. Absolutely come up magic. Can't thank you enough. Also, we've got a big announcement on the next episode, so stay tuned for that, guys. I'll give you a bit of a hint. Grip racing. We're going grip racing. So we've got to get the car all stick it up for that, and you'll see that on the next episode. Cheers, guys.